Simple example. Okay, so if you throw a stone up, it will come down. Okay, so that's the expectation. Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos from my channel. In this video, we'll be discussing about what you can expect from stock market trading. So whether you're doing a intraday trading, commodity or anything, so what you can expect, and I'll be sharing you some of the important tricks, tips and lot of things which will help you to make a good profit in intraday trading. And also I'll be sharing you some of the ideas, okay, so which will help you to make profit and where you can be in a safer side in intraday trading. Okay, so many of the people who start their trading, like let's say a beginner, so they have to follow certain steps. Okay, so it's not that you start to do a trading today and you will be able to make all the trades in profit and make big profit. It's not like that. Okay, so if you're a beginner in trading, if you're there is a lot of things which you need to practice first. Yes, of course you can make profits. Okay, it's not that you cannot make profits. You can make good profits only when you follow certain steps, okay, and certain rules. So I'll be telling you a lot of things in this video about this, so make sure you watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. Okay, so firstly I'll be telling about what you can expect from the trading. So many people question this: can they make profit, can they make good trades in intraday trading? Yes, of course you can make good trades in intraday trading, and also you can make losses also, keep that in mind. So we'll be focusing on how you can avoid these losses. Okay, so I'll be telling what you can expect from the trades what you take. So guys, if you guys can see here in the left side, you can see a lot of stocks which I've added randomly. Okay, and you can see the percentage movement what you can see here, like 0.32%, 0.24%, 0.19%, like that percentages have been happened, I guess you can see here. So now I want you to observe, okay, how is the movement of the stocks what you're seeing right now. Okay, so for example, this is a Tata Motors chart. Okay, so you're able to see how this movement has happened. Now let's take Tata Power, GAIL, Coal India. Okay, so here you can see how the movement has happened in the whole day, and JSW Steel. So here you can see the movement of the stocks. So why did I show you this movement and why did I tell you to observe the percentage change? Because nowadays the volumes and the volatility has been reduced. Okay, so you need to keep this in mind now, and you need to understand the volumes are less now, so the volatility of the stocks have been also reduced. Not only of the stocks, even if you see our index, our Nifty 50 index, volume and the volatility has been reduced. Okay, sometimes it goes sideways, it is not going in one single direction now, it only happens in a special news time or something like that, but nowadays almost it's going in a sideways, so you need to be careful on that. Why I said you to observe this percentage is that the stocks are not giving a much movement, so now you need to be very careful when you take a trade. Okay, so don't expect more percentage when you go into a trade. For example, you don't expect 5% of the stock to go up in a one single day or 3% like that. Okay, so many people ask what is the exact level of target what you need to keep. See, you can keep a maximum up to 1%, which is safer, and 0.5% also, which is good for making quick trades. Okay, you can easily scalp 0.5% target or 1% of a target, which is maximum, to be a safer trade, I'm telling you. Okay, and you can see like many of the people, or let's say your friend or someone who makes 2% target, 3% target in one single day, that is fine, because the stock won't give the 3% or 2% movement every single day. Okay, you have to focus on what you have to get and what trade you are doing according to that. Okay, so being safe is very important. Let's say today you hit a 2% of target. Let's say you bought a Tata Motors 311 and it went to 320 today itself. So yes, it's good you booked profit at 320 because it went today. Okay, so if you're doing intraday tomorrow and you buy it again and the stock goes only 2 or 3 rupees up and comes down, so it will be a loss for you, right? So That's the reason. So any stock it might be, it is a tendency that it will move at least 0.5% to 1% in a day. So if you take a good trade according to that direction, you can make a good profit. So this is the thing what you need to expect. Okay, for example, let's say a simple example. Okay, so if you throw a stone up, it will come down. Okay, so that's the expectation, because you throw a stone and you expect to come back. That is true, that's a good expectation what I can tell you. But you can't throw a stone and think that the stock and you think that the stone will hold in the up itself. It can't be done, because that's how the nature works, right? If you throw a stone up, due to the gravity it will come down. You can't think like you'll throw a stone up and it will stay up itself. So it's not going to happen. So always have a realistic expectation in trading. So that's what I was trying to tell you in this intraday trading. Okay, so and one more thing, how to make a good correct trades. So guys, to make a good correct trades, you have to follow the trend. Okay, so one tip is that whenever you take an intraday trade, you have to select a good stock. So how do you see a good stock? Any stock above 150 rupees which will give you a good movement will be a good stock. And especially if you're picking a Nifty 50 stocks from the top Nifty 50 list level, it will be very good. And you can trade to avoid in intraday trading when you see this event being notified. So event means there is some news in that certain stock, so you can come to more and come to fundamentals to see more about that. So it will indicate you what the news is coming on. So you can see HCL Tech earnings release is coming on July 19th, so that's why they have said it as an event. So when you see this kind of event thing being noticed, you can try to avoid that stock. Why I'm telling you to avoid? Because that stock will have a news and it can go in any way. It can suddenly go up or suddenly come down by 5%, 10%. It might happen anything. So kindly avoid like that. So you can see HCL Tech, it was given a very big movement, like minus 3.34%. Why? Because it had an event. So that's why it given a big percentage of change. I'm not talking whether it's a plus or minus. The percentage of change is very higher because it had an event. But you can see other stocks which are not in event, only maximum you can see here DLF with 2.54% up, and all the other things are within 1%. So this is due to the volume being less in intraday trading. Okay, so and one more thing, don't over trade in intraday trading. Okay, do only maximum 1 or 2 trades per day. It will be safe for you. And one more thing, you should know what you have to trade. Okay, for example, if you are a beginner, I would suggest you to trade in equity only. So don't look at any other friends or anything and think like you should start with options, because options are very riskier if you are a beginner in stock market trading. So if you are a beginner, it's always advised that you start to trade with the equity itself. So practice in equity and then start the other segments, and don't switch the strategies. Okay, always use a fixed strategies. And I'm telling you one more thing, like sometimes the strategies will fail because the market itself is going on sideways or unexpected news come in. Sometimes the strategy might fail, whatever the strategy you might be using. Sometimes, okay, very rarely the strategy might fail. So at this time you need to know that you have to take the stop loss and exit. Okay, and one more thing, what people do is they do a lot of overthinking on trading. Okay, like if they have to enter to a trade, they think a lot of things like should they enter, should they buy, should they sell, all these things. So why this overthinking is coming? Because you have a lack of knowledge or lack of strategy, a good confidence strategy which will help you to make good profit. Okay, so if you have a good strategy, you won't think that. Okay, so now what you have to do, so for that you have to find a good strategy for you which will help you to make a good trades. Okay, so if you're a beginner and if you want to learn how to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my course. In my course I'll be teaching you the strategies and the techniques to pick the stock, techniques to enter, exit, everything I'll be teaching you. Okay, so you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. Okay, so if you know that, if you're entering to a trade and if you know where is the target and where is your stop loss, and if you have a good strategy, you will not overthink and you will not be stressed about it. So many people get stressed, so don't do that. Enter to a trade, keep your target and stop loss. So you know that, you already know that. Okay, it's a known fact. So see the thing how it is. Okay, in your mind you know that if the stock you buy it here and if it goes up, you will make a profit, right? You have kept your target. If the target hits, you'll get the profit and you will be happy. And you also know that if the stock doesn't perform according to you and if it comes down, it will hit your stop loss. So you know both the things already in your mind. Okay, if the stock comes down, it will hit your stop loss, or if the stock comes up, you will make profit. You know both the things, but still you're having this anxiety, stress and everything. Why? So you should not have that. Okay, so don't trade with the tension. The more you trade with the tension, you will not be able to concentrate on a good trades. Okay, so always have a good trading strategy. So if you want a good trading strategy, you can join us. I'll be guiding you, and always trade according to the trend. Okay, so that will help you to make a correct trades. And if you're following the trend, if the stock is also in the same trend, it will achieve your profit very easily. The target will be achieved. Okay, so don't get stressed. So you already know your mind that if it's going up, if it's going according to you, you'll get the profit, or if it goes opposite to you, it will get the stop loss hit. And then you should be mentally be prepared how to overcome this loss what you have done, maybe in the next day or the second trade what you take, but don't over trade. Okay, and one more thing, let's say you buy a stock, okay, but for this you have to be having a very good strategy or follow a support and resistance level. Let's say you bought a stock somewhere when it is going up, okay, and it comes down. You can do two things. So if you're holding in the long term, you can average the stock. If you're still confident about the stock that it will come up, you can still average it and hold it. So many people think that even if the stock has fallen so much down, why should I average? Because it's falling down. So it's not like that. Whenever the stock falls down, for example, let's say you bought a stock at 100 and it falls to 95, it's a very good thing. You can buy it because you're getting at 5 rupees discount. You can buy it at 95 again and you can average your stock, especially when you're doing a long term holding. This will be very, very good for you. Okay, so especially if you're taking a very quality stocks, like let's say a Nifty 50 stocks which are very good, and if you're trading on that, if you're in a long term trade, and if the stock comes down, average it, don't leave it. Okay, if you average it, you will get your chances of getting more profit. Okay, this can be done in long term also, and the short term trading or swing trading, this can be done averaging and avoiding your loss and making the profit come earlier and easier. This method is very, very good if you're a swing trader or a long term holder. Okay, you can always average and make good profit of any stock, because any stock which comes down will come up also. Okay, so for that you need to make sure your entry is very, very correct. You should not buy any stock which has gone to the peak. Okay, don't buy it at peak, always buy it at the support level. When it's taking a dip, buy it. If that level misses out, there will be a next support where the stock will take a support and push up for the next peak range. But if buy it at the peak range itself, the stock will again come down. You need to wait a long time to again come up. In intraday, if you buy it and if the stock comes down, intraday the time is very limited here. Okay, so still, if you still have a time, okay, if you have an extra capital, even there you can average it if you're confident that the stock will come up again according to your trend. Okay, if you have bought it, if the stock has fallen down in intraday, you can average if you are confident that at least it will move up from there. So you can do the averaging method and save it. Okay, you can save your losses and you will be able to make even the losing trade also in profits if you know to average in a proper way by managing your capital. Okay, these are the method which you need to understand in trading. Okay, these are the little tips which will help you to make some correct trades, so you can try and practice these tips what I said you. Okay, and coming to the stock picking, as I already said, you should always pick a correct stock, and also you can see the beta value of a stock by coming to the fundamentals here. So any stock above beta 1 point will be good for intraday trading with a good movement. That means any stock above 1 point will give a good volume and a good movement. That's the only meaning of that, so you can also keep that in mind. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys like this, do give a like for this video, and also do share it and do subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed, because I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos like this. And also, if you want to learn how to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us now. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very, very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos, a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to recover your losses from today and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.